Through the machines and equipment they create, industrial manufacturers are the architects and arbiters that unite our communities and keep our economies running. But if you're in the industry, you're plainly aware of the magnitude of the task. In an increasingly interdependent world, you contend with complex, multi-tier supply chain networks, and you rely on thousands of parts that come from all over the globe and processes and logistics that aren't your own, making it challenging to deliver on your promise to your customers efficiently and sustainably, providing the products they need on time, every time. So how do you respond to constant disruptions, address increasing complexity, and reduce negative environmental impacts to continue making progress towards a more sustainable world? Discover a set of industry cloud solutions by SAP that help industrial manufacturers improve logistics operations agility. Choose from tools that synchronize freight collaboration, track goods in transit, deliver processing insights, and provide real-time visibility into the movement of goods across your supply chain. Or choose augmented reality devices that empower frontline workers, or robots that help them manage your warehouses. Modular and scalable, our industry solutions integrate smoothly into your core processes and SAP platform, so you can go from common practices to future-ready practices in your supply network in no time at all. Deliver to your customers as promised, with a more agile, resilient, and sustainable logistics operations network built with SAP.